Have you heard about robot automation before? Robot automation is a form of business automation technology that uses software robots to automate tasks performed by humans. In this video, we will show you two examples of robot automation by XTS Technologies. The examples of robot automation are robot bending automation and robot palletizing. Let's take a look at robot bending automation first. The bending machine runs almost completely autonomously and performs the work that was previously done by 3 employees. Even after several hours, the machine still delivers precise results. Built-in sensors make sure angles are folded accurately and side lengths are measured correctly. Next, let's look at robot palletizing. Palletizing refers to the operation of loading an object such as boxes on a pallet or other items in a defined pattern. A robot control system with a built-in palletizing function makes it possible to load and unload an object without spending a lot of time on teaching. Usually, robot palletizing will work together with conveyor belt, where after the robot finish loading the items on the pallet, the conveyor belt carry the finished pallet to the loading dock and deposit it in truck trailers. Check out our website to see more of robot automation example and other products.